Hi, this is gonna be part 2 and I'm gonna play. I know, but yes, this is gonna be the second video because it's gonna be part 2 or part 3. I will maybe make a part 3 also, but that means more editing. And this guy, my best friend Cole or Coley, reading DedSec. Yes, he can help me with underground or crystal hearts that can be used in increase the match life. You will need a pickaxe to obtain them. You get it in the beginning. Okay, how do I get? There are many different ways to. Sorry about the weird first minute starting stuff, but yes, sorry. Like one video, my friend is gonna come build do Call of Duty video with just to get used to the whole stop my WhatsApps that it cannot come while I'm doing this stuff. But yes, coming. I actually put it off, but if it's coming, I am going to need to edit that out because I know some of you do not my stuff like my WhatsApps, but still my chats. But yes, how was it that? But yes, you could actually, yeah, and play a Black Ops video or Black Ops game, and we are not put on music or anything like that. Neither this or part 1 because YouTube thought I had copyrighted something about the music I wanted to put on, but yes, something happened, something gone wrong, something that nobody wants to experience on their first YouTube day. Is copyright claim. But yes, you get the whole thing. I'm still gonna need a campfire. And they're still not hot. It's my healing campfire. So if you can see, I need a demon eye or anything like that, just to attack me, and yeah. And please don't be afraid to talk in the comments. You'll get used to me to talk to you. I still don't know how to go live. That is gonna be a problem. So I'm gonna ask my friend Big Chief, most known as Big Chief, but my friend Ruben from the world. I'm gonna ask him how can you still do gaming while you're live, but still on your basically your device. That is what I'm gonna ask. If he says no, then I'm screwed because I really want the hour or two to just talk to you guys while you're talking back to me, and my PC is actually gonna be on while I'm doing it. Then I can see what are you chatting and stuff. But I'm still gonna do it when I start to get more subscribers and stuff. Who's gonna watch me? People who's gonna watch me. But yeah, you can share this video if you want, but I'm not gonna force you to share videos, and yeah. But sometimes I do a take 2 or take 3. Some of my videos doesn't go the way I wanted to, or just delete on itself, and then I'm like, oh damn it, new one. And then that happens, and then it came to this part where why do I get crystal candy blocks? Don't want it. It makes me sound gay, but I'm not. But yes, my twin friends is gonna do the usual playing games with me and stuff, and you'll actually get used to them after time or two. But yeah, you'll guys love after time. But they're actually very nice. You play Terraria. You'll actually love them while they're playing maybe, but we'll just not really talk to the audience, just talk to each other and just saying, hey, there's a insta kill or a nuke or a max ammo, please reload your weapon. We're gonna do that, and we're gonna play Kino the Token map or Ascension or Call of the Dead map. One of those gonna play, and we're just gonna do it normally. And then yeah, we're gonna play that, and we'll do it normally like most people do. And I still don't know how this Discord works, neither Twitch or freaking live in YouTube, or most people call it on air type, but I still don't know how it works. But still, yeah, you get mostly used to it. So I'm gonna wait 2 days until day, but while I have time, I will talk to you guys when it's daytime and I have more wood. Like part 1, wood in this game is really hard to find whenever you're in a map that has a lot of wood, like this one. Welcome back. Sorry about the whole hang up and stuff, but I actually, needless to say, new stuff at the treasure chest. I'm gonna try to take this with me, that I have actually space. So I'm actually gonna need to die, because when I was looking for wood, oh, hello my friend, where were you? Yeah, I was actually looking for, oh, hello chest. I was actually looking for wood, then I fell in a hole that, yeah, wasn't really friendly with me. I still want to know what the hell they did here. Material, equipment, 5 increased movement speed, 1 critical. Okay, I'm not actually that far. I still feel the same or walk the same. And actually, rather than wood, I actually got treasure stuff. Hello, baby Chase. I never saw you when you were born. Yes, now I need to die. Sucks. Because it's technical difficulty, and actually I love this thing because you can have distance while you poking them. And I think if I'm right, 8% melee damage, 6% critical. This is 5 speed, weak knockback, average knockback, minus 25. Okay, slow sync here, but if the damage is way up, I will take it. Thank you very much. I'm still looking for a hole. I just can't suffocate myself. It's like that. It's like that. It's like that. Suffocate myself. Suffocating myself. Yeah. But I lost now. Money. Money. I lost money. Not. Yeah, I think I lost all of my money. No, I still have most of my money. But yes, I actually got my pokey stick, freaking shurikens, grenades, bombs. Shouldn't hold that. I'm just gonna trash that. But I am gonna try. Couldn't find it on. Okay, if you can see, look. Oh crap! Don't go in my house. But you can see, you'll get used to this whole spear thing. I was first used to this whole boomerang thing. You just throw it near like the ground when where the enemy are, but actually you can see a map. Wait. Map out. Yeah, thank you. This is actually everywhere. I've gone until up there, but I think they'll show. Yeah, that's mine, and I actually died there. There's someone. Damn, why does it take so long to get out? Yeah. There's my house with all the stuff. I'm still, as you can see, there's actually wood up there, but yeah, I'm still try to use it and get used to it. I'm still getting creativity up. Not prepared for it. Well, I'll do the settings when I'm out of here. I'm still gonna maybe make part 3, but that means more editing for me. Yay! I'm stuck. If one of my teachers watching this and now doing a lot of stuff at school, I'm sorry, but I'm doing this for a living. Plus trying to when I'm older. But I want to be in military at USA because I really want to or I could be a bounty like that. That's just what's my dream and stuff. But yes, oh my god, that stuff is a dog, a woman dog. I can't say the whole name because that's yeah. I love it, racist. No, it's not. It's not racist. Most of you people will say. I'm not gonna go down there. No, thank you. But yes, actually, we love to play Terraria. But yeah, I still love it. But I think this is gonna be the last part for today and stuff. But yeah, it's actually very fun to play this game and stuff. But I'm actually getting used to talking the whole time because my voice doesn't get that dry as usual. But at school I don't really talk a lot because it feels weird and stuff. Yes. I actually love my quote unquote YouTube career. I know I actually love it because it's not annoying. I know some people will say, "Oh Leonard, you're so annoying, please stop." I'm sorry, but I will take breaks, then you can stop listening to my voice or just stop watching my videos. That's the other way not to talk to me. But yes, or not to talk to me, just stop hearing my voice. I know some people know my voice is annoying most of the time, but yes, you'll get not actually used to it. It's how it works, I think. But yes, I'm sorry about that. But yes, that's how it works. A small bit, I think. But I'm sorry about all this stuff where I was taking long breaks and stuff. Yeah, it's how life works, I think. I just took a long break because I was a little bit tired for YouTube and stuff I didn't want to do with YouTube. YouTube is starting to get a little bit boring for me. And yesterday night or last night, I actually walked out of my house and sat outside for a long time to come. I thought what's gonna do next, what type of video should I do and stuff, but yeah, and I'm actually gonna go fish. This is gonna be the first time, I think. I hope so. They say you need to have bait. You need to stand in it. Wait, I'm not sure, but wait, what about that lake I saw like time back? Sorry if it's like a little bit just silence, but because I'm just focusing and stuff, and just try to think what to do next. But tomorrow or tonight or tomorrow night or tomorrow you'll see another video, more editing and stuff, but me and my friend just gonna do one video. And yeah, if you guys actually love watching me or us, you can tell us down in the comments if you want, but I know some people doesn't like us as much as you do, but still thanks for the support. I think you actually watched that video. I was just saying doing that here. Maybe finish this video earlier, but thank you guys for all the stuff you guys did. And yeah, and if you want me to try to help you, show you how I did it or anything, I will gladly last week, dude, how do you come to me? And actually he's gonna come today or tomorrow. I will show him how it is. Then you will come back to you when it's done and publish it. Yes, sometimes the Wi-Fi is gonna be a little bit slow. Yeah, but the videos is gonna be slow because both of us doing the videos in the same time is not actually gonna be easy to have sort of what it is. But yeah, but I'm gonna end this video here, just getting more work. When this video is and sure, but I didn't see that slide. But yes, then I see you all tonight or tomorrow, whichever it is. I'll see maybe, but I recommend playing this game. I know you need to pay for it. You can also go to Steam, on Steam to get the game. I really recommend playing it. Not a lot, but you know what I mean. It's actually fun. But thanks for the support, guys. But next time when I'm gonna see you is tonight or tomorrow. But thanks.